BMWs are not unreliable. They're just owned by the wrong people. And that's exactly why most used BMWs are a nightmare. If you think BMWs are trash, this video is probably about you. BMW doesn't build soft cars. They build driver-focused machines. A real, sporty feeling in a family sedan. Strong engines. Tight suspensions. Rear-wheel drive. BMW assumes something very dangerous. That the owner knows what they're doing. That you understand maintenance. That you don't ignore warning lights. That you don't abuse the car and then act surprised. The moment a BMW becomes cheap, that's when the problems begin. A car designed for people with money ends up owned by people without it. 300 horsepower, zero maintenance budget, cold revs, cheap oil, delayed repairs. BMW doesn't fail here. Basic responsibility does. Most used BMWs are destroyed by ego. Young drivers want the badge. People who can't take care of themselves, but want to own a nice car. They want the sound. They want the image. But they don't want responsibility. So the car gets abused, ignored, driven hard, and maintained cheap. And then suddenly, BMWs are unreliable. Most used BMWs aren't bad cars. They're just survivors. Survivors of missed oil changes. Cheap fixes. People driving for years without checking the oil. Owners who never should have bought them. That's why buying a used BMW isn't about luck. It's about history. BMW doesn't forgive ignorance. And that's exactly why so many people hate the brand. This isn't a Toyota that will tolerate cheap oil, skip services, and redline abuse every single day. BMW is a precision machine, and precision machines demand proper oil, regular maintenance, and at least some mechanical respect. When they don't get it, they don't fail quietly. They fail expensively. And then the excuses start. BMWs are trash. They all break. Never buying German again. No. The car simply stopped tolerating its owner. So no, BMWs aren't bad cars. Bad owners just buy fast cars they can't afford. Now I want to hear from you. Are BMWs actually unreliable, or are most owners just irresponsible? Drop your experience in the comments. And if you want more real talk about cars, hit subscribe.